Yo, what's up? It's Major from Ada's Dream, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free shipping boxes for your business. Let's go. Yo, what's up? It's Major from Ada's Dream. We back again with another video. Glad to bring you guys some more entertainment for your business and for the candle business. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the free shipping boxes for your business, because a lot of people don't know that you can actually order free shipping boxes to your home to ship out your products. But before we get started, please do me a favor. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button for me so I can keep bringing you guys good content. Okay, with shipping, I know it's a confusing topic, but what I like to prefer to use for shipping is USPS. I use USPS, and I can ship out my products right from home, and I slap my labels on it. I'm gonna do another video walking you through the entire shipping process with the products, but today is just about how to get you some free shipping packages from USPS without having to go out here and order or pick up boxes from random places. This is going to make things a lot more convenient for you, where those boxes can be brought right to your home, and you could package your products inside of these boxes. This one right here is a 7x7x6. But I want to take you guys to the computer so I could show you on the computer how you go to USPS and you could pick out your different sizes for the boxes that you need, because we all have different products, and different products come with different sizes accordingly to how you want to ship them. So let's go to the computer. We are on the USPS website where we are going to shop for boxes for our business. In particular, to my page, it'll be my candle business. So what I would do, I'm going to go up here to shop. Once you click on shop, you just go down to shipping supplies. And as you can see the different type of shipping boxes that you may need for your business. You just figure out which one you need. And as you can see right here, below the size, it has 0 because you do not have to pay for this. You could just order it and have it shipped right to your house. And these are all the different size boxes right here on the USPS website. They even got some envelopes, Global Express guaranteed letter envelopes. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a box that you may need. And as you can see at the bottom down here, you could just go to the next page if you don't see what you were looking for on that particular page. You can even get commercial invoice PS forms right here, collect on delivery forms right here. Of course, you have to pay for stamps. But they even have Global Express guaranteed ID sticker labels, rolls of 100 for free right here. Only time you're going to get ready to pay is once you ship out your products. Once you ship out your products, that's when you're going to pay to ship them out. But here you can order several different things, whatever you're required for your business, and you will not have to pay for it. As you can see, these are the different sizes right here in the middle. It'll tell you if it's a pack of 10 or 25 right here. Let's go to another page just to show you how this works. It's pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy. Like if I click, I actually ordered these boxes right here. So if you click on it, you can go ahead and order a pack of 10 or a pack of 25, and however many packs that you want, you can put it right here. Quantity enter is more than the one permitted by the value of 1. Okay, so we're just gonna leave that for what it is. Pack of 25. You could actually order more than one pack of 25 here. Let's say you wanted 2, which would be 50 boxes. You can move the box around down here to the left. You can see if it's in stock right here. So once you are finally ready to order, you just add to cart and then go to the shipping process of mailing it to your house. So a lot of people don't know this. A lot of people who are new to business, they get a little confused on how the whole shipping process works. So if you want to ship out through USPS, you could come here and you could get all your boxes sent to you for free. Now let's go back to the computer and I'll discuss some more on this topic. Okay, now that I have explained how to get your free USPS shipping boxes from the actual website, I hope that takes away some of the nervous feeling with shipping that I have with my candle business. It's not that hard. You just go on there, figure out what size and dimensions you need for your products, and you can go ahead and order those boxes for free from USPS. Now, I'm not sure how the other shipping companies work. You will have to go on their website and do some research and see what works best for you. I appreciate you guys for all the love and support that you give Ada's Dream. But before we get out of here, I have to go ahead and tell you guys about the Manifest candle here. I Love Myself candle and It's Giving candle. One is the Jamaica Vacation fragrance, awesome fragrance, eucalyptus and spearmint. And our last one is the Starlight fragrance. All are pretty good. We got the floral scents. We got the eucalyptus scents. We got the fruity scents. I got everything that you need. So if you would like to get a candle for you and your family, please go to adasdream.com right now, and the link will be below to order you a candle. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in. This is Major. Stay major with your business. We out.